Me Amigo friends, so this is part 2 of mine and George's day trip here to these ruins just outside of Merida. Hang on tight and let's go for a walk. Like a little maze. This here is a tiny little space here. I don't know what would go on in there. Maybe that's where Nino slept when he was naughty. Naughty Nino. We'll carry on to a different area, I think, guys. Oh, like a ramp for a wheelchair. Eh? They were really ahead of their times. They got a wheelchair ramp. Oh, you get out down here. Ouch! Prickly. Prickly bushes. Oh, there you go. Needed to fill your water jug. Oh, a little bit of a breeze. The clouds have rolled in here.
Maybe it's not rough.
Oh, look at that over there too. Like a tomb. We have to go check that out on the way back. Oh, there's a couple pillars. There's another one over there too. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Almost looks like a mummy tomb.
Yeah, so.
Careful.
Yeah. Maybe it's the I don't know, like a totem.
Yeah, well, it's some type of spiritual thing for sure. Yeah. Definitely, I think. For it's like the pillars, right? So there's 1, 2. It looks like there's 3. Yeah, there's at least 3 of those down there. That's rather cool. Whatever, we'll go down here. Check this out. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It'd be nice to go up inside there, but we can't. We'll walk around the back of it though. We'll walk around the back of it here, George, in the shade. Looks like there's a trail over here. Garbage cans over here anyway. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, there's the Tanakas. No, you can't go over there. My bad. No, I thought there was a trail over here, but looks like at one time you could. Looks like those are water jugs over there. I thought we could go around to the back of the building, but it's not letting us. Unless there's a trail somewhere else.
I don't know why.
What are you looking at?
I don't know,
George is freaking me. Do you hear something?
Yes, but it's like the...
You got good ears. I don't hear nothing. So George hears a monster. Whoop. Maybe Panther. Cougar. I don't hear nothing, but I'm deaf, so I just walk and don't hear nothing. Look at a little lizard there. George was hearing a poof. I don't know what he was hearing. I don't see nothing. Oh well. I don't think there's much back here, George, but a lot of bugs. There's a lot of bugs back here. Yeah. Anthills everywhere. Look at, wow. Oh, see, it's telling you to go this way now. Oh, okay. So we got an arrow here. So this is where the common folk would have lived over here, from what I'm gathering. So a ways away from the square, and then you had your mucky mucks down at the other end, and then the common folk were down here, a ways away from everything. So this living space was built at natural elevation of the land. There is a grinding stone on the inside of, thus implying the domestic nature of the house. It had monolithic foundation, and its roof and walls were made in perishable material. It was used between 1600,000 AD. The inhabitants must have had some connection to those living in the main housing platform, and perhaps they moved in the same social level as the inhabitants of the other elliptical rooms. Oh, okay. So, and then you have this here. Cool. Yeah, our mosquito repellent is wearing off and we're both out of water. You still hear it?
I don't know.
No? Well, you definitely can't walk back there. There's too much brush. Trail's all grown over. I don't know why it even says to come back here. You can go over there, I guess, to these ruins over here, but they don't look like much really to see. So, I think that's about it, my friends. Yeah, I think what a lot of problem is here is this place has been deserted for over 2 years because of you know, what's happened in the world last 2 years. So I don't think anybody's come here for over 2 years. So it's all grown up, grown over. There's been no maintenance done whatsoever. So I believe that's probably why it was closed. As you can see now, they're here, they're cutting the brush and cutting things open, and they got, if you look at the ones that are closed, it's all grown up and grown over. So I think that's why. So no one's used it for 2 years, over 2 years, right? So all the brush is grown up. So that's why they've got stuff blocked off, and they're just slowly getting things back open here now. And I want to give a shout out to our dear friends, Ryan and Jessica, who's moved to El Salvador. I'm going to put a link in the description for their YouTube channel. Be sure to check them out. They just started their YouTube channel. They started watching us. They were considering coming to Mexico here, and they changed their plans. They're Bitcoin people, and El Salvador's, I guess, pretty big with cryptocurrency right now, the community down there. So they changed their path to El Salvador from Mexico, which is good on them. I've watched a few of their videos, or well, I've watched every video they've made. They've only got a few out, so they're still pretty new, but their channel is growing quite fast already. I'm sure they're going to pass us in no time. They're doing very well. Their videos are excellent. I highly recommend checking them out for sure. Well, this looks like a trail here. Kinda. Oh yeah. Wow, it just goes to, oh, here's the path. This is the path we came down, right here. Yeah, that's the trail we were on. Okay, that's it. We're out of here. We're going home, guys. Getting hot. Our bug sprays wore off. Bugs are biting us now. It's getting hotter than hell. I'm out of water. George is out of water. Well, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed boys' day out with me and George. We appreciate you guys coming along with us. Thanks a lot. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. We truly appreciate it. Hit that bell notification, all that fun stuff. Be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. If nothing else, hit that like button, my friends, please and thank you.